Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing dense, black polymer or air-dry clay because it blocks stray light. This matters for crisp bokeh. Roll clay to 1/8 1/4 thickness. Make sure it's even. Once rolled, cut a disc size to your lens or adapter. Press gently to match curvature. Use a ruler to mark the exact center, then pierce a small starter hole with a toothpick. This guides later cutting. These first actions set your aperture shape and ensure the piece fits snugly on the lens. Now you cut the aperture that creates the bokeh. The hole size controls blur and brightness, so test 3 mm, 5 mm, and 8 mm if unsure. Carefully carve your chosen shape, circle, star, heart, keeping edges clean so highlights are crisp. Once the shape is cut, thin the outer rim slightly so the clay sits flush against the lens or adapter. This prevents light leaks. Make sure to smooth the inner edges with a toothpick or small file. Sharp corners create artifacts. Finish by curing the clay per manufacturer instructions. Let it cool completely to avoid warping. Then fit the piece to your lens with non-permanent tape or a snug sleeve, aligning the carved center precisely over the optical axis. Shoot with your aperture wide open for strongest bokeh and move further from background for larger discs. If shapes look messy, make one adjustment at a time. Increase hole size for brighter shapes, smooth inner edges for crisper highlights, and reseal any rim gaps to stop light leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.